Are you ready for yet another exciting and easy to make recipe that is going to satisfy your sweet tooth? If yes, then this video is for you. Because today I am going to show you a mouth-watering chocolate recipe that is not only delicious but also healthy at the same time. I am making chocolate quinoa delight. So grab your ingredients and let's dive in. First thing first, take your ready-made quinoa chicky and let's grind it using mixer. Just blitz it for like 1 or 2 minutes. Remember, we do not want to have a fine powder at this point of time. Can you see? This is the perfect texture that we want. And this unique ingredient is going to add a flavorful and wholesome twist to our chocolate delight. After you are done with this, in the same mixture, let's put some roasted nuts. Now I am using almonds and cashews over here, but you can use any nut of your choice. Now let's melt our chocolate in microwave. And don't worry if you do not have a microwave. Check the video description below for an alternative method. I've already made a video on my channel on how to melt a chocolate without using microwave. That video will help you a lot. By the way, for this recipe, I am using dark chocolate, but you can use any chocolate of your choice. Dark, milk, white, any chocolate is fine. So let's get melting. Once your chocolate is smooth and velvety, add roasted nuts. Along with crushed roasted nuts, I am also adding some raisins, like black raisins and your golden raisins as well. Along with that, I am also adding quinoa chicky, the ground powder that we have made. Now this quinoa will not only give our chocolate a fantastic texture, but it will also boost its nutritional value. The nuts and the raisins that we are using, that will add some crunch and sweetness as well. Keep adding quinoa in batches. Now remember, the chocolate has to be lesser than the other ingredients. That is very important to know. Okay. The nuts that we are going to add, like I said, you can use walnuts as well. Now while mixing, just remember to be quick over here because we do not want our chicky to become soggy. Now before we move on, let me also share the importance of using homemade and healthy chocolates, especially for our growing kids. Such recipes are a fantastic way to give our kids a treat that is not only delicious but also packed with so many nutrients and goodness. Now, if you want to learn more amazing chocolate recipes like this, consider joining my online DIY chocolate course where you will get varieties of recipes. In fact, I offer two different courses, one for compound chocolate and another for pure chocolate. So it's your time to become a chocolatier and impress your friends and family with your skills. Now coming back to the recipe, after you mix everything together, now the chocolate dough is ready, right? Just take a spoonful of the chocolate and place it on the parchment paper and refrigerate it for just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of the refrigeration, can you see it looks beautiful? Like nobody will be able to guess what are the ingredients of this particular recipe. But we are not going to stop over here. Now to add to the beauty of this particular chocolate recipe, I'll be drizzling some melted milk chocolate as you can see it in the tray. After you drizzle this chocolate, again refrigerate it for just about 10 minutes and your chocolate will be ready. Like I said, remember the chocolate should be lesser as compared to other ingredients that you are using in the recipe for that perfect balance of flavors. Guys, comment chocolate recipes below if you want more such easy to make chocolate delights for your loved ones. Once your chocolate is ready, you can pack these delightful treats into boxes, wrappers or tins, making them look presentable and ready to be shared. And there you have it. Our chocolate quinoa chicky delight is ready to be enjoyed. Now if you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling, keep making lot of chocolates and spread that happiness from your home bakery. Thanks for watching, and I will see you inside my next video.